I have a question. So one of the questions that I want to ask. So they said, I'm wondering what does keeping up with Joneses look like?
I don't know what keeping up with the Joneses looks like in 2022. I don't know what keeping up with the Joneses looks like in 2022.
So to keep up with the Joneses, what does that mean?
Yep, that's an expression you will hear. And I don't know why they use the name Joneses, maybe just because it's a common last name. You could be keeping up with the Smiths, right?
Oh,
But
okay.
the idea behind it is that you look at what your neighbors have, let's call them the Joneses,
Okay.
and you say, wow, I wish I could have what the Joneses have. They have a new boat. They have a new RV, and I want to keep up with them. I want everybody to think I have as much money as the neighbors do. And so I kind of run, not, mentally, right, at a pace where I want what they have. And whether I can afford it or not, I just want to keep up with them.
Oh, okay.
Does that help explain it?
It does. It does. Thank you.